Greeting parents, it's here Rajni, proud member of DRM Public School. Now let's meet with our another parents and he is the father of Ekansh. Namaste sir.
Namaskar ma'am.
How are you sir?
Fine ma'am.
Sir,
And you?
And I'm also good sir. So first of all, how are you feeling to be part of our annual functions?
Yeah, this is amazing.
हाँ जी.
मतलब wordless.
हाँ जी.
जिसे कहते हैं ना wordless, कहने का कुछ वो ही नहीं है. Because as according parents of Ekansh, we have 6 years.
In this
6 years in the school.
With our school.
As my parent of child Ekansh. So feeling very fantastic. Annual function is to be good and all curriculum activities. My child is to be very confident. Even new curriculum activities are there. So child is to be very proper.
Sir, if I talk about the unique points of DRM school, so according to you, what is the unique point in DRM school as comparison to others?
As compared to this is a spoken English first of all.
It's a
because
pure
this is a
English medium
demand.
school.
This is a demand of today's time. Recently, this is a demand. Spoken English, and it should be here proper. It is a proper.
It means, sir, if I say कि you are completely satisfied with the DRM
Yeah,
school.
of course. No words to say कि satisfaction या नहीं. मतलब 100,000% satisfied parents. And even my brother-in-laws and और other relatives जो भी हैं मेरे, उनके भी kids यहाँ पर पढ़ते हैं. As according their parents, they are all satisfied, proper. And I have meet also in annual function. I have come yesterday and today, both of the days I have come with my wife also.
Thank you, sir, for your precious time.
Yes.
And
yes,
sir,
sure.
it means if I say about the other activities of the DRM school, like behavior calling of the teachers,
Yeah.
absentees calling,
Yeah.
that are the unique
Every
points in
day,
our
teachers every day calling. My child is absent even one day in a month. Actually, health issue is there or some urgent work. I have gone to another city, so urgent work. But teachers is calling every day. This is very different thing from the others. Because if the student is one day absent, the teacher will ignore even.
Hanji.
But no ignore. They call and satisfy the parents. Even behavior calling. What is the behavior at home of the child, with parents, with neighbors, with colleagues, with relatives. All these things are excellent. Even मतलब कुछ कहने का ही नहीं.
Sir, you want to recommend our school to other parents?
Of course.
So what do you want to say to our parents?
Actually, I meet some parents, even unknown parents also. So I recommend that please admit it in DRM because this school is very best in every field, you can say.
And sir, what is the changing you can see in your child after admitting this your child in this school?
First of all, the confident it will be
Speaking skill enhanced.
speaking skills, active. First of all, activeness. Some students are lazy, but my child, when we admitted in DRM, my child is to be very active, even confident, you can say.
So it means, sir, you are completely satisfied with that?
Yeah, of course. I am totally satisfied.
Thank you, sir.
And my relatives are also satisfied. I am saying that. And all are good. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.